Oh, hello there YouTubers on this sunny Sunday. YouTubers, modelers and everybody else, this is the final reveal of the Zvezda, the mini tank kits, the snack kits. This is the German heavy assault gun, Sturmtiger, scale 1 to 100. And what a fun little build it was. Yeah, I mean that was the thing, it's just, they really are a rapid little kit to build. As another modeler on here mentioned, UK scale modeler mentioned, they are swift little things to make, and I think swift is the word. All that really needs to be done once these things together are to test your painting skills out, because they're so tiny. That's what I really wanted from this. I just wanted to practice, see if I get a half decent paint job out of it, to be honest. Did I get a half decent? Yeah, I got a half decent paint job. Not as good as I wanted. Blending wise, it wasn't quite up to what I wanted to achieve. I could do that next time hopefully. But overall, I was pretty pleased with the results for the small scale of the vehicle anyway. But let's have a look at it. He's hiding behind here. So there we have it. Give you an idea of the size of it. So I've stuck pretty much to the historically correct colours. Far from perfect, but it's freehand. So it's brush painted on there, it's not airbrush. That doesn't look too bad. But really enjoyed making this. Like I say, it's just a fun little build to practice your painting skills on. You can see there. I'll probably put some photographs on at the end of this. It's had a couple of coats of clear. Detailing on the back is not bad at all. Once it comes up there, you can see. There we are. And a few cutaways here. I've cut a panel off there, which just adds to a little bit of eye interest along the side of the hull, where it was pretty bland before. I mean, there were no lines on or any kind of detailing. I've cut those as well. On the tracks, I've added gunmetal. You can see there, a little clearer. I've added gunmetal and rust finish and some black and some burnt umbers onto that, just to make that look a bit more realistic. Great little things for wargamers, these, incidentally, as well. We've got the winch. The winch is now fitted on there, which wasn't previously. I did some weathering, a couple of dark brown washes, and then I've glossed over it with clear. It's all paint. Yeah, so that's it really. There's not a lot really to say about these little kits, but I would definitely recommend them. Definitely recommend them. Great value for money as well. I'll be buying some more of these. So there we have him, the beast, the mini beast. Well, that's all for now, folks. There'll be a few photos on the end of this video for you to look at. Hopefully they'll be a little bit more defined and you can see the paintwork and the vehicle itself, you know, in a clearer fashion. Anyway, I'm just rambling and waffling away now. So guess it's on with the next build. Anyway, enjoy the photos, enjoy your modelling and have fun, because that's what it's all about. Don't get too bogged down in your projects. If you get too bogged down in your projects, stop and do something else and then come back to it. That's my advice anyway. Bye for now, folks.